Everyone, this is Tejasvi, your favorite YouTuber. Yes, I'm your favorite YouTuber. You're thinking, how come you are my favorite YouTuber? I haven't even subscribed to your channel, huh? Then subscribe now. Subscribe. Click the subscribe button. It's easy peasy. Lemony squeezy. Sorry. I'm so sorry. Today we are going to talk about the PG admissions in DIPSA/DIPSRU, and this is a much requested video, but to be honest I can only give the information that I myself know. So yeah, that's it. So in this particular video we are not going to talk about everything because the video will then get too long. So we are going to talk about the courses, then along with that we'll talk about the fees and schedule of admission. These are the three things that we are going to talk in this video. So before we start, subscribe that button and like and share this video so that it can reach more and more people. You can also check my playlist named DIPSA/DIPSRU because I have made a whole lot of videos there on DIPSA and DIPSRU. So if you want to know more about DIPSA and DIPSRU, click here or here. किसी जगह होता है यार, मुझे नहीं पता लेफ्ट या राइट, मतलब होता है कहीं. So click and see. Okay, and let's get to today's topic about the PG admission. First we are going to talk about the schedule of admission so that you get a little bit idea about that, and fill your forms. So the PG forms aren't out yet, but the prospectus is out, and that's why I'm making this video, because the prospectus is out already. We have this information, and also the admission for UG students have already started. So you can watch my last video or you can just fill the form, go to the DIPSRU's official site and fill your form. And for all those students who are asking, दीदी हमारा तो 12th का रिजल्ट नहीं आ गया, बेबी हमारा रिजल्ट भी आ गया, so go and fill the form now. Just the form is going to come by the end of this month, which is 25th of August 2021, and the last date of filling the form will be in September, which is 20th of September. Okay, now let's talk about the courses offered by DIPSA and DIPSRU. So we talk about the courses offered. First course that comes into everybody's mind is, guess what? M.Pharm. So yeah, M.Pharm is like everybody knows about it. So we have M.Pharm, we have Pharm MBA, we have Masters in Public Administration, we have Masters in Hospitalization, and we also have some more courses like MSc in Artificial Intelligence. I think this is a new course, I'm not sure. So we also have MSc in AI, and then we have PG Diploma in Plant Tissue Culture. So these are some of the courses that we talked about, some of the courses that are being offered by the college. And now that we have talked about the schedule of admission, we have talked about the courses, let's jump right in to the fees, because everyone wants to know about the fees. The truth is, you can see the prospectus and everything is written in the prospectus, and I'm just reading everything from the prospectus. Yes, I'm reading everything purely from the prospectus. So I don't know why people don't just read the prospectus. Anyways, I'm here to help, so I'll read and tell you what's the fees. Okay, so when we talk about the fees for the masters, it is divided into two, like every other thing. Like for bachelors also, UG and PG, everything, it's like same thing. You have to like pay your semester wise fees. You don't have to pay it annually, it's like semester wise. So that's the case. So if I talk about these semesters, like we know in masters we have like 4 semesters, so we will divide it into odd and even. So if we talk about odd semesters, in odd semesters we will have different fees, and in even semesters we will have different fees. Okay, and this is same for the bachelors also, but the fees is not same. This whole criteria of odd and even is same. Okay, semester that you are going to join this course now, and now also in the 3rd semester in October, November 2022, next year, you have to pay the same fees. So the fees for the odd semester, 3rd semester and 1st semester is 66,000. Okay, so it's 66,000, and when we talk about this fees includes your tuition fees and also all the deposits that you have to fill to the college, because we have just joined the college, so you have to fill the deposits, then the insurance. Along with that we have a separate examination fees, but now the college has started taking the examination fees with the fees only, so you have to pay a total amount of 66,000 in your odd semester. I hope this is clear. You have to pay 66,000 for M.Pharm Pharm MBA and courses like these. Okay, I already told you all the courses. Okay, now let's talk about the fee structure for the even semester. And even semester we mean second semester and fourth semester. Okay, for even semester is a little bit less than the odd semesters, and the fees that we have to pay is 44,000. Okay, so it's 44,000 and it includes your tuition fees and it also includes your examination fees. So this was all about MPharm, Pharm MBA, Masters in Public Health, and all the courses that I already talked about. So this is the fee structure or an even fee structure for these courses. But along with that, we also have a different course, and for that different course, the fee structure is also different. So as you can see, the course is Executive MPharm in Drug Regulatory Science, and you can see the screen. It is divided into two parts. Okay, so the course is one only. The course is Executive MPharm in Drug Regulatory Science only. But when we divide it into two parts, it's like two people or two category of people that are going to join this course. Okay, so for these two categories, the amount of fees is also different. So the first category of candidates is candidates who are serving in any government organizations, for example FSSI. Okay, so if you are a person who is serving in any of these, the fees structure for you will be different, and the fee structure for you is going to be 76,000. Okay, so this is a fee structure for you for the odd semester. Okay, this remains the same, that you also have to pay semester wise only, odd semester and then the even semester. And this criteria also stays same for you also, that in the even semester the fees will be a little bit less. Okay, we talk about candidates who are serving in any government organizations such as FSSI or FDCA. The fees is going to be 76,000. Then we go to the second part, which is pharmaceutical industry sponsored candidates. So there are some candidates who are being sponsored by the pharmaceutical industry only, and if we talk about these candidates, they have to pay a different amount, and it's like 1,01,000. I think it's 1,01,000. We'll just read, and yeah, it's on the screen only. So this is for the candidates from pharmaceutical industry, and then we talk about them only for the even semester. And for the even semesters, the candidates who are serving for the government have to like pay 54,000. The candidates who are being sponsored by the pharmaceutical industry, they have to pay 79,000. This was all about the fee structure about the PG courses. Okay, so in this video we are going to talk about this only. And for MPharm, many students were asking, so I'll just tell you that the priority criteria for getting MPharm is that you have to clear GPAT, and without that also you can get admission, but you won't be getting priority. So because this video will get long if you talk about that, I need to make another video talking about those topic. You can just comment down below, separately comment down the topic you want the next video to be on, and I will try and make that video. And yeah, that's it. Don't ask me if you are going to get admission in the college or not, because I'm not going to put on the merit list. I'm not going to choose you for the admission. If it was in my hand, I would like choose everyone. So but the thing is, it's not so. You have to like talk to the college authorities if you have any doubts. I'll link down the official site of DIPSRU down below, and you can check down everything. You can go to the site and check everything. It has the prospectus for 2021. So if you click on that link and download the prospectus, all the doubts will be clear, like everything will be clear. So I will recommend you to go and download that prospectus and read it, so that all your doubts get cleared. And that's it for this video. All the best to everyone, and yeah, that's it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And also if you have any doubts, you can ask, but don't ask me if you will be getting admission in the college or not, because I can't answer, bro. Anyways, like this video, share it with other people who you think will benefit from it. And yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you later in the next one. Everyone take care. Bye.